Hello everybody. Today we have come up with some different type of video which I will be showing you a simple dessert which you can make in no given time. Over here I have taken 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 113 grams of butter. You can take salted, unsalted, it's perfectly okay. This is 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now sugar you can always increase 1 or 2 spoons as per your taste, or you can reduce also if you want less sweet. This is 1 cup, that is 250 ml of normal milk. I have taken a full fat milk over here, and I have taken these biscuits, normal biscuits, tea biscuits, which is easily available everywhere, and you can also use digestive biscuits. Only with these ingredients you can make a quick dessert. So let's get started with it. So I have just on up the gas. Now in this I'm going to put my sugar, I'll put my cocoa powder, I'll just mix it well. My gas is on a very low flame which I have kept. I'm just removing if there is anything. To this mixture, I'm adding milk and I will stir. You need to mix it very well on a very low flame. Be sure your gas is in a low flame, otherwise there's a tendency of burning. You need to go slow. This will take approximate 7 to 8 minutes. We'll just keep on stirring. My gas is on a very low flame. I'm not putting it too high because I don't want it to burn. We'll keep on stirring this. Now to this mixture, I forgot to mention earlier that we'll be using 1/4 cup of dark chocolate. Okay, but this is completely optional. Now you can see my chocolate is almost dissolved. To this mixture I'm going to add butter, I've added my butter, and we will allow this to melt. This is approximate 1/2 cup of butter, you can say. You can take any butter that is salted, unsalted is perfectly okay. We'll give a good mix. Please do not put your gas on a high flame. It has to go slow. My texture has started becoming thick. It needs to be more thick and it needs to boil. But since it is on the slow flame, it will take some time. You keep on stirring this for a few minutes until you get a good boil and your texture turns little thick. This will take another 4 to 5 minutes. Now I have my butter is almost melted. You can see this. There's hardly few pieces left, small pieces which needs to be melted. At this stage I will just increase little bit to make it high, and I'm going to stir. So after 5 minutes you can see it is completely dissolved. Okay, and I have put my gas on medium flame now so that it can boil. We need at least 1 or 2 good boil, and then we will off it so that the texture also, see the texture, you can see this, it is still runny. We need a little thick texture. Little thick texture will help us, our biscuits, to mix well. If it is too runny, then your biscuits will become soggy. So do not do that. Keep on mixing, do not leave it in between. Otherwise it's going to burn from down. So now you can see it has got a very good boil, and you see the texture also is become thick, better than before. At this stage, I will off the gas and allow it to cool for few minutes, approximate 5 to 7 minutes. Because if you put hot biscuits on this, it will become soggy. So just let it cool for just for few minutes. In the meanwhile, I will show you how we need to cut our biscuits. So I will take my biscuits now. You need a bigger bowl. I have left few biscuits, 3 biscuits, just in case if we don't need it. It's okay. Don't put completely, just wait. We will see how our texture mixes, and then we will put the other rest ones. You don't need to make it very small pieces also, just random cuts. Just randomly you can break your biscuits. Not too big, not too small. This is the most easiest dessert. And I'm sure your kids also will love it. You can see I have cut it very randomly. Do not make into powder. I still have remaining 3 biscuits left. I haven't used it yet. I will see the texture first and then I'm going to use it. Because it all depends upon your texture of the sauce what we make. So after a few minutes of cooling down, it is not completely cool, it is a little less. It is warm now. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to mix the whole thing. And I'll give a good mix. It has to, the biscuits have to absorb the whole chocolate sauce. Now at this stage, I will put my remaining biscuits. You need to keep on mixing this until the sauce has been absorbed. It shouldn't be flowy at all. If you feel your consistency is still it has not been absorbed, keep on mixing it, it will absorb, or if not, you can always add 2 to 3 biscuits more. See, I can see that my chocolate sauce has, the biscuits have been completely absorbed by the chocolate sauce. See this? See this? You can see the mixture now, how it is absorbed nicely, and our mixture become very thick. We'll keep this aside. I'm going to take a parchment paper. If you don't have a parchment paper, you can always use foil paper also. It's perfectly fine. Since I do baking, so I have parchment paper, but it's completely okay. If you don't have it, you can always use foil paper. Now, just for a smooth, so that it comes out nicely, I'm just going to put little biscuit crumbs. This is optional. It's okay if you don't want to put it also. This is completely optional. You are not going to put this on the center because we need, with the help of the parchment paper, we are going to roll the whole mixture and make it into a log. So be sure that you're not putting it in the center. Now I'm putting my mixture. This is a messy job little bit. You need to form a log. No. I'm going to push it a little bit to give an even shape. I have still some more left, which I'm going to put it on the other parchment paper. See, you need to give a log shape. I'm going to fold it again. I will seal it first from the center, from the sides, and then make sure it is equal. Now, I'll take a foil paper and I'm going to roll it again. You can start giving your shape also of a log. Now, I'm going to seal it tight from the sides like a chocolate. I'm going to keep this mixture for 3 hours in the freezer, and then after that I will show you. So friends, our lazy cake is out after 3 hours in the freezer, and I have just sliced it. So let me just show it to you. Look at this, how the biscuit crust has come. And this is a very simple and very easy dessert which you can make. So please do try and share your comments and reviews on my page also, and do share this recipe to your friends and families. Thank you so much.